Hello everyone, and we try to connect printer to Wi-Fi and normal machine info. Okay, and step 1, you click scroll up your set network. Okay, and click OK. One more. Okay, and your search wireless LAN WLAN. Oh, this printer robot. I'm try again. Machine info, click scroll up and user network and WLAN. You scroll up your search LAN, your search WLAN, and click OK and scroll up wireless WLAN status and set up wizard. You search set up wizard and try again. Okay, machine normal, machine info, and your scroll up your set network and you click OK and your search WLAN. Okay, WLAN and click OK and your search network wizard. Set up wizard. Set up wizard. You search set up wizard and click OK. You enable your on. Okay, on this here, you looking here button Wi-Fi, search network. Okay, is the network. Click OK. Okay, network connected. Printer is connected. Okay, and printer starting. If you are done starting, you insert password Wi-Fi and name Wi-Fi, name SSID, your search and you input the password. Okay, thank you for watching and Wi-Fi connect and tutorial. Please like and subscribe, share my video. Thank you for watching.